Welcome back to Little People Play. Today we're going to have a look at the Playmobil Pirates Treasure Chest. This set is for ages 4 to 10 and retails for about $40. Now that we have it assembled, let's take a look. Here on the left side, we have a palm tree, a little tree here with a parrot. In the back, there's a little torch that's lit, and then you can see the beautiful backdrop with a canoe and a sunset and palm trees. It's very tropical looking. In the front here, we have a little treasure chest. We have an array of weapons, some swords, different guns, and we also have some accessories. Here is a gold bracelet, it's so small, and then a different hat as well. There's also a working cannon that actually shoots. It's very, very cool and very fast. See? Over here we have a canoe with a very scary looking pirate. Behind him we have a skull, a plank of course, another guy, looks like a Yankee of some sort. I've spotted a treasure chest and I've got to have it. This Yankee doesn't know what's coming his way. I've got my weapons and I've spotted the treasure. Blackbeard is going to be a rich man today. I've spotted a pirate on land. I've got to protect this area and my gold. Aye, Yankee, this treasure will be mine, for I've got 2 swords and you've only got 1. Rah. I've lost my weapon! Aye, now the treasure is mine! Ah, shiver me timbers! All this gold, I'm a rich man! Blackbeard will never take my gold. You're going down, matey! Bombs away! I've warned you, Blackbeard. Don't mess with my treasure. Now get on your boat and go back to the ocean. Blackbeard, next time you come, I won't be so nice. Thank you so kindly for watching our channel Little People Play, where good guys always come out on top. Check back daily for new videos, and if you like what you've seen here, please subscribe to our channel.